everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change password on your Roblox account. Changing your password will help you keep your Roblox account safe from unauthorized access, so here's how you do it. First of all, open up Roblox application and log into your account. You can also log into roblox.com on a web browser. Either way, once logged in, tap the More button at the bottom right, and then from the More menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, tap on Account Info. After you open the Account Info tab, look for the Password option and tap on the pencil icon right next to Password. Now enter your current password in the first tab associated with your Roblox account. On the next field where it says password, type down the password you want to change to and re-enter the password in the last field once again. Finally, click on update and you will be able to change your password for Roblox. Next time logging in, make sure to enter your new password. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.